Hello Automation World, welcome to my YouTube channel of UiPath RPA tutorials. Today in this video we are going to see the UI interactions part. In that we are going to see the input methods which are used to interact with the different applications and browsers from the UiPath by using the different activities such as click, type into, type secure text, over the mouse, etc. So let's get automate. So there are three types of input methods which are used in the UiPath mainly. First one is default, second one is send window message, third one is simulate click or simulate type. So if we do not select any of these two methods, then by default method is executed. It is executed by using the hardware driver itself. It is the slowest of the all three methods and it cannot work in the background. So we are going to see further the compatibility table of it. So by now just remember the default method. The second one is send window message method. It sends the message to the target application required and work accordingly. It can work in the background. The third one is simulate click or simulate type. It is the fastest of all the methods. It can work easily in the background, but the main disadvantage is it cannot send the hotkey. The other two methods can send the hotkey between the activities, but simulate type cannot send the hotkey. So here I have shown the screenshot for send window message and simulate click. So now here the compatibility table I have shown in this default send window message, simulate click or type are here. So for the default method the compatibility is 100%. That means it can work with all the web browsers, all the applications of Windows easily and effectively. But the main disadvantage is it cannot work in the background. That means if the application is open, then only it can work, and its speed also less. It can support the hotkey, but the auto empty field is not present in the default method. The second one is send window messages. Its compatibility is 80%. It can work easily in the background. Its speed is 50%. It can support hotkey, but it cannot empty the field auto. That means it cannot auto delete the part that is already written. Third one is simulate click or type. It is most widely used in all the cases. It supports most of the web applications, but 60% of the desktop applications. It can work easily in the background. Its speed is the fastest of all the three methods, but the main disadvantage is it cannot send the hotkey. That means if you want to send the want to press the enter key after particular typing, so it cannot do that. But it can support the auto empty field. So this is the compatibility table. This table I have taken from the UiPath official website, so you go through it. For the UiPath certification exam, one of the question is must be on the compatibility table, you can say. So let me show you the demo of input methods. First open the browser, type the URL, let's say open the Google, select the type of browser as Chrome. Okay, now select the input activity, type into, drag and drop it. Let me open the Google so that I can indicate the element inside the browser. Here you can see the send window message method, simulate type method. You can also read the description about it. So here open the Google, so let's indicate the element inside the browser for the type into, and let's say type UiPath community for now. Okay, now let me first show you the default method. I will uncheck both of the send window message and similar type, so that means by default method will be executed. So as we know, the default method cannot work in the background. That means the application, or let's say browser here, in case browser must be open while executing the type into activity. So we will close the browser forcefully and let's see if it types the UiPath community or not. So let me run this. It will open another browser, not this browser, and I will forcefully close it and let's see if it types the UiPath community or not, as we have executed the default method. Okay, here it opened the Google. I am forcefully opening the another application. So yeah, here you can see it is completed, execution ended. So now let's see if it typing. Yeah, it is typing, because here you can see the activate window is tick marked. So let's uncheck this and now again run this. Let me take something longer than UiPath community. Let's say Motorola launch its first mobile. Okay, something like this. Okay, now again run this and again let me close and open something else. Okay, now open again the PowerPoint. Yeah, the execution ended. So let's see now. Yeah, here you can see it's just opened the Google and kept the blank, because we have opened another application, not kept this window on front, so that it cannot work in the background. That means the default method cannot work in the background. We have got this. Now let me show you by using the simulate click. I have checked the simulate click. Now you can see, even if I am opening any of the applications, it can work easily. Now I am opening this initial browser. Even if I am opening anything apart from the current window, it will execute easily. Here you can see the execution ended. Now let me open. Yeah, here you can see our type, the text is here. When is Motorola launched its first mobile? It's not clicked the search because we have not set the input. So let me now show you the send hotkey method. Now here for the send hotkey, you can click on the plus icon and let's say enter here. Okay, now check the enter. I will proceed in the default method. Let me run this. Okay, here you can see it pressed enter after typing all this text. Okay, nice. So now I will show you this send hotkey under the simulate type. We know under the simulate type method the send hotkey will not work. So let's check the demo of it. I'm not going to close the window now because we have already seen that demo. Okay, now here you can see our send hotkey method is also written here. It not executed the enter key as the function mentioned because we have set the input method as similar type. Now you can also set it as send window message, and again we will see if it press the enter key or not. It must press the enter key now. Yeah, all good. Here you can see. Okay, so that's it for today's video. To subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos related to UiPath RPA. Until then, happy automation.